So, what's up, guys? Your boy Yali here, and I I started now to do some pack opening, and my first pack, and I got Messi. So I thought, if I'm already doing a pack opening of my own, why don't I, why don't I film it? So I film it. I start filming, and. So yeah, what's up? Start filming now. Till now, I got three good players. I got Messi, Iniesta, and Varane, 4, and the player that we got before. Oh my God, I'm sorry. This is, and we got a team of the season, Ramos, Sergio Ramos. So I think that this pack opening is going to be good, cause we get, what is this pack? We get 98 Neuer, another team of the year. Ignore ignore from all these noises. This is my TV, and we get to run. Already sold it. To run is not good, and we get Rui Patricio. I mean, yeah, he's a good keeper, but I don't really like him. And we get Brasogli. It's pretty good, actually, but it's not that good. And Lloris. We got Lloris. And we get Sako. It's not pressing me. This button. Oh, thank you. Oh, and we get Ter Stegen. Oh, what a pack. And we get, oh my God, we get 98 team of the year, Suarez. We get Handanovic. What? And we get Cavani. If you know Guns N' Roses, I heard that they are going to do a show in Israel. I think it's tomorrow, but I don't sure. And boom. And who do we get? We got Smalling. Oh, and I don't think you actually know this, but I have Pele. I got Pele, I think yesterday, gonna show you. Look, legends. I have Pele, 95, 93, 92, 91, 90, 90, 90, 90, 90, 90. A lot of good players. That's why I called my club the best club ever. Scoratius. Hamsik. Hamsik he's a dick. I hate Hamsik. And come on, press this fucking button. Okay, thank you. I don't see who do we get. Neuer! Manuel Neuer, 92. We get Sanson. He's not that good actually. Gigna. Never got him before, but his sock. Bam, bam. I can't see nothing. We get Vertonghen. And we get Aubameyang, 99 pace, 97 shooting, 92 passing, 94 dribbling, 52 defending. For a striker, it's pretty good, and 90 physical. Yes. What the heck? Casemiro. Get going. We get Seri. So I think I'm gonna end this video right now. So let's open the last pack. And okay, no, just no. Okay, so I think I'm gonna end this video now. Let's open the last pack. No, it can't be like this. It can't be like this. Open last pack in Iniesta. Why? No. I don't care if he's a team of the year. I want a good player. Come on. Come on. Götze. Come on. So, I think that... Come on, give me a good player. Come on. No, Ribery is not good. And this is going to be our last pack, Lewandowski. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for watching, and this is going to be our last pack. So see you next time.